Hello beautiful people, I'm Lemis Panoy. Welcome to my vlog. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Castelo Palmela, Portugal. Christian reconquest of the Iberian Peninsula after the conquest of Lisbon 1147 by the forces of Alfonso I of Portugal 1112 and 1185. Sintra, Almada, and Palmela fell in the same year. The Muslim forces that defended Palmela abandoned it, going to take the refuge in the castle of Alcácer do Sal. The Portuguese forces managed to dominate the population in its domain. The Muslim forces, however, reorganized, recovering the south bank of the Tagus River. The Christian reconquered Palmela in 1158. Once again lost, it was definitively conquered by the sovereign of June 24, 1165. The following year, work began to reinforce the structure.